It's really cool to see the process that CMB is making in the early stages. So I wanted to record this quick video on how to do a deposit, because they've made the deposit an automated process now, which means that our deposits show up in less than 4 minutes in our back office, which is very cool. So very simply, all you do is you tap on deposit, then you tap on new deposit. And for the sake of example here today, because everyone has to do what's best for them, and I don't want to, put any crazy numbers in, even though some of us has higher risk tolerances than other people. We can't tell anyone what to do. So I'm just going to do this as a really small deposit for the sake of example today. So I'm putting $100 in, all right? And then I'm going to select crypto, all right? And then I'm going to click deposit. And when I click on deposit, it is going to take me to the payment screen. And on the payment screen, you're going to choose either BTC or USDT. Okay. Now, I like to pay with BTC. Other people like to pay with USDT. So it doesn't matter which. Just understand that this payment service that they're using works with USDT on the Ethereum blockchain. So please do not send Tron-based USDT, as it will not show up and it will not work, and you will lose your money if you send Tron-based USDT if you select USDT. So you have to send Ethereum-based USDT on this service, and it will tell you that after you tap USDT. However, for this example, I'm going to do Bitcoin. So I'm going to tap on Bitcoin near the bottom of the screen here. And then very simply what I do is I copy both the BTC address that it's telling me to send to and the amount that it tells me to send, because I have to send the exact amount. You can't send a slightly different amount. You have to send the exact amount from your wallet, all right? So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the address, and I'm going to go into my private wallet, and I'm going to paste in that address, and then I'm going to copy the amount, and I'm going to go into my private wallet, and I'm going to paste in that amount. So I'm just going to go ahead and pause the screen while I do that. All right, so I'm back. So now I sent the BTC to the address it gave me and the exact amount to the address it gave me. And literally in about 30 seconds after I did that, the screen automatically changed to show this screen showing that my payment is in process and that it's in the process of confirming on the blockchain. So literally within about 5 minutes of when you see this screen, when you go back in, you can just go ahead and you can click continue, all right? And literally within 5 minutes when you see this screen, you will see your deposit in your back office. So it is that easy to do a deposit into CMB now, which is very, very cool. So they're making amazing progress. And as I always say, everybody has to do what's best for them. We cannot give anybody any advice. Just because you may see somebody like Chris or another individual that does a large deposit does not mean that is right for everybody. So always do what's best for you. Myself, I will probably do some large deposits as well, but I like to be very, very conservative, because none of us know the future. None of us can tell anybody what to do. So always follow your gut. Always do what is best for you. And as I always say in everything that I'm personally involved in, I never, ever, ever put money into anything in this space that I can't afford to lose. So be very, very wise and thoughtful as you make the best decisions for you. We are simply continuing our due diligence and are pretty excited about this platform. So make it a great day, everyone, and bye for now.